Hi, Sally Walker here, your hormone and slow age expert. So what are anti-nutrients? Well, you need to see them as the plant's defense mechanism. They're kind of like little poisons, I suppose, really, you could say. So the plant can't run away from you, can it? And it can't put up its hands and start fighting you, can it? So it has to be able to protect itself in some way so that it can survive. So these anti-nutrients are found very much in the seed, so allowing the seed to become the little plant that it needs to be, yeah? So they're very important for the plant, but they can be very deadly for us, actually. So what kind of things are there? So there are goitrogens in some of these cruciferous vegetables, like your broccolis, like your Brussels sprouts, your cabbage, this kind of thing. And they can interfere with thyroid function. And they can be responsible for this goiter, this sort of swelling of the thyroid gland. And they can very much disturb the absorption of iodine into the thyroid gland. And the thyroid gland needs iodine to be able to produce its hormones T4 and T3. So they're there. Especially in the raw veggies. I would say the most important message about veggies or plant foods is please don't eat them raw. Yeah. So what else do we have? We have lectins, and lectins are found in legumes, so your beans and your peanuts and your soybeans, things like this, your whole grains. And these can interfere with the absorption of calcium, of iron, phosphorus, zinc, that kind of thing. So they're no good either, are they? Then we've got the oxalates, and these are in the leafy greens and teas and beans and nuts and beets. And these can also bind to calcium and prevent it from being absorbed. So then there's the phytates or phytic acid. These are found in the whole grains, the seeds, the legumes and the nuts. You see, all the things that we would call seeds have loads of these anti-nutrients. Now, the phytates can decrease the absorption of iron, zinc, magnesium, calcium. And then we've got the saponins, and these are in the legumes and the whole grains, and these can interfere with normal nutrient absorption in general. And the tannins and the teas and the coffees and the legumes, and they can decrease iron absorption. So you can read it all in the article called Anti-Nutrients 101. So you can remember all that information. But they are the plant defense system. They should be there for the little plant. But preparing these foods, cooking them, fermenting them, sprouting them, etc., are ways that we can deactivate these anti-nutrients or lessen the load, if you like. And there is another article down there called Deactivating Anti-Nutrients, so be sure to check that. Happy hormones, happy life.